Welcome to Tripura Info News Update. Rapid erosion of forest cover worsened by loss of natural food and water resources have started driving wild animals to human habitations in search of food and shelter. This is reflected in the presence of huge troops of monkeys near human habitations, including the Suryamin Nagar area south of Tripura Central University (TCU). Even though the troops of monkeys divided into litters invade houses and gobble up vegetables and snacks, people desist from harming them because of an ingrained belief that monkeys cannot be killed.
কিং কোবরা বিশাল বড় এক কিং কোবরা
সমস্যা করতে হতো দেখছো নি তো দেখছো নি
আরে
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.